Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your AirPods are charged and in pairing mode. This saves time. If using the Xbox mobile app, sign in to the same Microsoft account as your console because the app can route chat. Once done, decide if you'll use a Bluetooth adapter on the console or route audio via phone. Both methods work but differ in latency and chat support. Make sure to disable automatic AirPods pairing with nearby devices so they'll connect to the intended source. Next, you execute the connection method you chose. If you have a compatible USB Bluetooth adapter, plug it into the Xbox, pair the AirPods through the adapter's pairing mode, and select the adapter as the audio device. This provides direct console audio but can limit chat. Alternatively, join a party in the Xbox mobile app, tap Connect to console, then pair AirPods to your phone and route chat through the app. Once connected, adjust volume and mic settings in the app or console so game and chat levels balance properly. Finish by verifying output and mic selection. On console, choose the active audio device. On phone, confirm the app uses the AirPods for chat. Then test with a party and play a short encounter to confirm latency, chat clarity, and game sound levels. If you encounter dropouts or no chat audio, reset the AirPods by holding the case button and repair the accessory, or replug the Bluetooth adapter. This resolves most pairing conflicts and clears stale device connections quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.